In this video, we listed the 5 best mechanical keyboard on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Redragon K618 Mechanical Keyboard. The Redragon K618 is a versatile mechanical keyboard designed for both gaming and general use, featuring a unique 3-mode connection system that supports USB-C wired, Bluetooth 3.0, 5.0, and 2.4 GHz wireless technologies for seamless connectivity across multiple devices such as PCs, laptops, and tablets. With a full-size layout of 104 keys, the keyboard incorporates low-profile red switches that require a 40G actuation force, enhancing responsiveness and comfort. Users can enjoy customizable RGB backlighting with 20 preset modes and adjustable brightness, while the inclusion of macro keys and dedicated media controls adds practicality for efficient operation. The keyboard is built for durability with a solid construction and an advanced battery that ensures prolonged wireless usage, complemented by a low battery indicator. Additionally, Redragon provides a comprehensive after-sales policy, offering replacement or repair services for incorrect or defective products. Overall, the K618 combines functionality and style, making it a great choice for gamers and everyday users alike. Number 2. YUNZII B75 PRO Keyboard. The YUNZII B75 PRO is a versatile 75% layout mechanical keyboard designed for both gaming and office use, featuring 82 keys and a multifunctional knob for quick adjustments to sound and RGB settings. It boasts a gasket-mounted structure for enhanced typing comfort, incorporating 5 layers of padding and precision-tuned stabilizers to minimize noise and improve sound quality. The keyboard supports tri-mode connectivity, allowing users to connect via Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless, or a wired Type-C connection, powered by a robust 4000 mAh battery for extended use. With hot swappable sockets compatible with both 3-pin and 5-pin switches, users can easily customize their typing experience. The B75 PRO also features double-shot PBT keycaps and a variety of RGB backlighting options, offering more than 20 built-in modes for personalization. It is compatible with both Windows and Mac OS, making it an excellent choice for desktops, laptops, tablets, and more. Available in multiple color options, the YUNZII B75 PRO combines functionality with a sleek design, catering to a wide range of applications. Number 3. Ajazz AKA20 Mechanical Keyboard. The Ajazz AKA20 keyboard is a compact wired mechanical keyboard designed for both desktops and laptops, featuring a standard 68-key layout. Weighing for 60G, it is constructed from durable ABS plastic and measures 310 by 100 by 19 mm. The keyboard operates via a wired connection with a 1.6-meter PVC cable, ensuring stable performance without lag, crucial for gamers and typists alike. While it does not support hot swapping, it features mechanical operation for precise keystrokes and an electric lighting effect with customizable modes. Compatible with various operating systems including Windows and Mac, the package includes the keyboard, a data cable, an instruction manual, and a key puller. The AK680 combines portability with reliable performance, making it an ideal choice for gaming on the go. Number 4. SKYLOONG GK87 Pro. The SKYLOONG GK87 Pro is a versatile and advanced mechanical keyboard designed for both gamers and professionals, featuring an ergonomic ANSI, QWERTY layout and a full-key hot-swappable design that allows users to customize their typing experience with various switch options, including tactile and linear switches. It offers seamless connectivity through USB-C wired, 2.4G wireless, and Bluetooth 5.1 modes, ensuring low latency and efficient device switching for multitasking between PCs, laptops, and mobile phones. A standout feature is its 2.0-inch RGB LCD screen, which displays real-time information like battery life and connection status, and can be personalized with photos or animations. The keyboard is equipped with a robust 7200 mAh lithium battery for extended use and includes 16.8 million RGB backlighting options for customization. With its combination of functionality, comfort, and aesthetic appeal, the GK87 Pro is an ideal choice for users seeking both performance and style in their keyboard setup. Number 5. Ajazz AKA20 Mechanical Keyboard. The Ajazz wired mechanical keyboard features a full-size design with 82 keys, making it suitable for both desktop and laptop applications. It operates via a USB interface and supports hot-swappable switches, allowing for easy customization and replacement of keys. The keyboard is compliant with CE and FCC certifications, ensuring its quality and safety. However, it does not come with wrist support and is designed in a standard style. With no high-concerned chemicals included in its construction, this keyboard is a solid choice for users seeking a reliable and functional input device.